the brigadiers of both countries, brigadiers of both areas have begun another meeting today. It is their sixth meeting and it is taking place in Chushul, not very far from where the standoff point in South Pangong, Ladakh is. The brigadier level talks between India and China began at 11 a.m. They've been going on for nearly 6 hours now. There have been heated exchanges, remember, between the brigadiers of both sides. The talks are now about to end. The brigadier level talks have not yielded very much in terms of peace and tranquility, especially in these new friction points south of Pangong. But the talks are nevertheless continuing because both sides have at least agreed to keep the line of communication open. I want to go across to Abhishek Bhalla and Gaurav Sawant, both of our editors who are on the ground in Ladakh to track this big unfolding story. We've got the best reporting team on the ground, very close to the actual site of the action. Abhishek, very important. Brigadiers meeting once again, line of communication still open. What are you hearing? It's been on for 6 hours now.
Shiv, lines of communication open, but they remain extremely fragile, just like the position situation in Eastern Ladakh. And in fact, we are here at a road that leads to Chushul, and I've observed throughout the day, some of the developments here. Heavy military movement throughout the day, very less civilian traffic. The only civilian traffic that we can see is either locals who want to get to their homes, and they're also checked at places. Other than that, it's military convoys and civilian trucks taking supplies to these forward areas. Also, deployment of troops has been enhanced, in wake of the current situation. We've been reporting every day how these brigadier level talks haven't yielded any results. Once again, a similar situation. And it seems now with the two foreign ministers speaking to each other, it's once again over to the military commanders. There had been no disengagement, no de-escalation, and it's back to square one. Let's wait and watch whether military commanders can finally get a breakthrough in this long-standing deadlock for over 4 months now.
Well, all these talks began in May. June 6th is when the Corps commanders first met. No breakthrough, two ministers.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.